Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly to Make.com. Let's get started. First, go to Calendly.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard containing all your events or meetings. In here on the left panel, click on Integrations and Apps. Then on the search bar, type in API. Then click on API and webhooks down here. On the next page, click on Get a Token Now. Then in this pop-up, just click on Continue. Next, label your token however you like, then click on Create Token. In the next pop-up, type in the verification code that will be sent to your email. After that, Calendly will give you a personal access token. This will only appear one time, so make sure to click on Copy Token right here. Next, go to Make.com, log in your account, and on the top right, click on Create a New Scenario. Next, look for Calendly, then click on it. Next, click on Watch Events. In this pop-up, click on Create Webhook. Then in the next pop-up, click on Create a Connection. Then click on Save right here. You will be redirected to this new tab where you will just click on Connect to Calendly. After that, you will be redirected back to Make.com where you need to type in the details of your event. Then click on Save after you're done to save the changes and connections you've made. And that is how you can connect Calendly to Make.com. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.